Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Welcome po sa pagpapatuloy ng aking series of videos on solving word problems involving fractions. At sa video na ito ay magbibigay ako ng pangalawang example ng paraan ng pag-solve ng problem na ito gamit ang bar model. So para simulan, ito na po ang ating problem. Peter spent $68 on a watch. He donated 1/4 of his remaining money to charity. Then he had $639 left. How much money did Peter have at first? So let's pause for a while to analyze this problem. Now let's proceed with breaking down and identifying key pieces of information para ma-solve natin ang problem na ito. So what are the things that we need to understand, or information that we need to understand from the problem? First is, what did Peter do with his money? Ano bang ginawa ni Peter sa kanyang pera? And as we have read, una niyang ginawa is he spent, or he bought a watch that is priced at $68. Then he donated 1/4 of the remaining money sa charity. So nagbigay siya nung natitira, 1/4 nung natira para sa charity. And after these two things that he did, meron siyang natirang 639 pesos. Next thing that we need to understand is, kung gagawa tayo ng bar model, ano ba yung i-represent ng bar model? At ano yung mga key parts doon? And what else? Ano ba yung mga parts that we need to show on the bar model? And of course, finally, let's proceed to the plan that we have, no, para ma-solve ang problem na ito gamit ang bar model. So obviously, we need to draw a model. And still, it is a rectangular bar model showing Peter's money. And ang unang magre-reflect ay obviously yung una niyang ginawa, which is nung bumili siya ng watch that cost him $68. And after that, itong natirang part na to at the right of the bar, yung malaking portion, ito yung i-divide natin, no? Kasi 1/4 of this ay binigay niya para sa charity. So anong gagawin natin dito? Since may clue tayo na 1/4 of this remaining part is given to the charity, we can divide this into 4 parts. Yung denominator ng 1/4, which is 4, can be used to divide this remaining part of this bar model into 4 equal units. So, divide na natin. And since the problem also showed that 1/4 is donated to the charity, so label na natin yung 1/4 na ito. And the remaining 3 units, 1 unit is donated to the charity. The remaining 3 units, according to the problem, is equal to 639. Actually, sa part na to, pwede ka nang gumawa ng inference. Pwede mo nang masabi na, ay, meron palang 3 units na natitira. At yung 3 units ay equal to 639. Itong information na to, ito yung pinaka-crucial because this can lead us para magkaroon tayo ng solution. No? So, para magkaroon tayo ng preliminary steps papunta dun sa solution. So ano yung pwedeng magawa natin? So what are the next step that we can do? Of course, we need to go back pala doon sa tinatanong ng problem, which is to find the money that Peter had at first. So here's what we can do. Of course, we are given with the 3 units equivalent to 639. So we can divide $639 by 3 to get the value of each unit. So dividing 639 by 3, that is equal to 213. So, alam na natin ngayon na yung bawat unit doon sa apat na equal units ay equal to 213. So, what should we do next para masolve natin yung buo? We can multiply 213 by 4 since we have 4 equal units. So, multiplying 213 by 4 gives us 852. And yes, yan na yung apat na units. But that is not yet the total amount of money that Peter had at first. Meron pa doong $68 na kanyang ginamit sa pagbili ng watch o relo. So add natin yon 852 plus $68. That should give us $920. Therefore, Peter had $920 in the beginning or at the start. Next step, of course, is to check if our answer is indeed correct. No? So para i-check, let us go back to the problem. So, and then ibalik din natin yung bar model na meron tayo. So how do we check? Una nating gagawin is to uh, subtract $928 doon sa una niyang binili, which is the watch. So $920 minus 68 gives us 852. After that, yung 852, yan pala yung remaining money niya. And 1/4 of 852 ay ginamit niya, ay binigay niya para sa charity. So we should get or find 1/4 of 852. At yan po ay equal to 213. So yung kanyang binigay pala doon sa charity ay 213. And next to that is subtract 213 from 852. So 852 minus 213, that should give us 639, which is yun din yung binigay sa atin ng problem na remaining money niya after buying a watch and donating to the charity. Therefore, tama nga, indeed, correct yung ating sagot. So I hope you learned something from this problem. Uh, hanggang sa susunod, no? And God bless po sa ating lahat.